Welcome back to the channel, guys! Today I find myself in the beautiful landscapes of San Cesario sul Panaro. Yeah, that's right, this is Pagani's factory and museum, and as you may already know, Pagani Radun is happening in a few days. So of course I'm here because I wanna try to find the customer cars being prepared for the event next week. As always, wish me luck, guys, because I will need a lot of that. Oh, I did hear a startup, but I don't really know what it could be. Oh, come on! That was a beautiful Zonda! Oh my god! Oh, yeah! Guys, you won't believe this one! Oh my god! Check out this spec on that one! Oh my god, did you see the spec on that one? Oh my god, I'm shaking, guys. That's something I would expect from the craziest Lamborghini customers, not from Pagani's one. Oh my god, I love that one. I will obviously wait for that one to come back. Oh wow, what a great start. So good, so good. Guys, I think I've heard something. Wow! Now, guys, can you see it? Here, let me zoom a bit more. What is it? Huayra of some kind? Oh! SLR Roadster with the matching plate. That is a beautiful and unexpected one. Wow! Just wow! Wait for this one! Wow, beautiful Utopia. We've seen this one many times before. I think that's the same one from SUC in Puglia. Oh, there she is! No, come on! Oh, I hear it! Yeah. was quite special. Oh, what a catch! Oh, check it out! There she is, brown Huayra. Fuck, I completely missed that one. Oh, come on. Ha ha ha, another startup. Let's see, guys. Ooh. Oh my god, what a color! Yo, check it out, it now has the engine cover up in full flex mode. Okay, not a bad sounding engine, huh? Now, do you hear it? Yeah, Utopia. So, I was taking a good look at this beauty here. Beautiful old school Porsche. Don't really know the model, but I think there is the Utopia from before driving around. Let's see. Oh yeah, yes indeed, there she is. Can you hear it? Oh, no, the caravan, get out. Wow, really amazing. Oh, wait! Ah, Utopia! Well, we had another startup, so let's see. Oh god, once again. Oh. Wow, just wow. Yeah, the brown Huayra. Oh my god, time to run, guys. Oh, fuck me. But hey, we've seen this one before, so... So, looks like things are happening with a big truck here getting inside. Maybe there are some cars inside, or maybe it's here to take up some cars for the Raduno. I don't know, we will see in 10, maybe 15, 20 minutes, who knows. I'll be here. Ladies and gentlemen, oh my god, check this out! Hey. There she is. So So, new plan. We are gonna wait here at the gate for all the cars to get back. The Huayras getting unloaded from the trailer here, and the pinkish, purplish Utopia we've seen before. So, hey, this is the place right now. And here we have the second one. Wow, beautiful matching plate, I loved it. Ooh, yeah, the white one. Yo, from Texas, very nice. It's a Roadster with the red details, red striping. Ooh, very nice. Alright, finally the Utopia! The Zonda LH! Oh my god! Haven't seen this one in more than a year, guys. Oh! Oh yes, the Imola Roadster again! And Utopia all together? What is happening right now, guys? Is this my lucky day? Watch her go! Beautiful, beautiful. I really can't believe this spec on this one. It's so similar to the Lamborghini's blue hull. Yeah, that was its Zonda. What the fuck was that? Oh! That is so crazy! keeps getting better. Well, that was cool, guys. This is way too many Paganis all together for me to handle. Oh my god, what happened today? I'm sorry, I'm way too excited, but the specs on the cars were amazing. And it's on the LH, guys. What an amazing day. It was my best one ever at Pagani's factory, I think. Wow, with that said, guys, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed the cars as much as I did, and see you at the Pagani Radun in a few days. See you soon!